Hey guys, it's Sheridan here at the Panhandle-Plains Historical Museum, and today we're going to make a fun fall scarecrow. What you'll need are popsicle sticks, markers, googly eyes, I do the big googly eyes, glue, and scissors. So you're going to start by laying 7 popsicle sticks right next to each other, and I make sure that they're even. I have 6, so I'm going to straighten them up. And then I'm going to take 1 popsicle stick and glue it to the back side. And you don't need very much glue. I'm going to glue it at a diagonal so it gets all the popsicle sticks stuck together. And you might need to let it dry just a little bit. Alright, next, make sure it just stays together. Next, I'm going to cut a popsicle stick, or you can break it in half. You might need a parent's help with this. Alright. And you might need to cut them a little bit shorter to fit. So we're making an X with the popsicle sticks on the back. Alright, so I'm going to glue both of those and make an X with them. Remember to let it dry just a little bit and hold it down tight. I'm going to do the other short one. So this is how it will look like on the back, like an X. Next, you can turn it over when you feel like it's dry enough. And you're going to glue the last popsicle stick at an angle at the top part to make his hat brim. Then you can color it any color. I chose orange. I am using Sharpies, but you can use any kind of marker that you would like. So I'll just quickly color. And then I color the brim of his hat as well. Then I go ahead and put these googly eyes on, and I have ones that have sticky backs, or you can glue them to it. And then you can draw his nose and his mouth. And the end result looks just like this. You can do his hat any color, whatever you would like. Let's see your fun fall scarecrows in the comments below. Have a great day, guys.